And welcome back, everybody. Will here. On today's nice video, we're going to be talking about these two books. These are Itzhak Bentov, Stalking the Wild Pendulum, on the Mechanics of Consciousness. And this is his second book, A Brief Tour of Higher Consciousness, a cosmic book on the mechanics of creation. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First off, I purchased these copies. This isn't a sponsored video. These books came out a long time ago, and we're just going to go through some of the history. I'll tell you what I know about it. This is just kind of an unscripted video that I wanted to make about it. I've read these books several times. They're a little complicated for the masses, but there's a lot of really cool stuff about these books. And one thing right away that a lot of people don't know is, like, you see this guy right here? So this cover was actually, this art was done by Itzhak Bentov himself. And when he did this, and the book originally came out in 1977, this came out during a time when consciousness, quantum theory, meditation, this is the late 70s, there was a lot going on. So this book actually got a lot of traction. It came out in 1977, really didn't take off till 1979. That was also the year that he had passed away. Here's what the other side of the book looks like. There's the man right there. This is the copy that you would get if you blindly bought off of Amazon today. This is I think this is a 6x9 format here. Originally when it came out, and actually there was a UK Collins edition in 1979 that had an alternate cover. But this book, let's talk about this book. This book came out almost a decade after he had passed. Okay. This book, a lot of times you'll see it in some of the early editions. It doesn't say it on this one, but it would say Anne Murtala, who was Bentov's second wife. And she was really responsible for helping to get this book out. A lot of the information that was in this second book, she helped put together for this one. He passed away in 1979 suddenly, and he didn't have a chance to release this one. This one really tackled the cosmos and creation itself. There's a lot of good stuff in here. There's stuff about divas and about this one I would definitely recommend. Now, you see this artwork here? This is actually Itzhak Bentov's artwork, but the layout was actually done by, I believe, Murtala later on. And you can see some of the first editions. If you go on and do some research, you'll see there was some alternative covers for these. This one came out in 1988. So this one dealt more with consciousness, where the other one dealt with kind of where stuff comes from. Now, these weren't, as a lot of people might say, these aren't cult books. This was more of a philosopher's opinion about consciousness and where things come from, kind of from that engineering lens. He was able to explain a lot of his beliefs through diagrams. And I'll be going into this book a lot more. He was heavy with diagrams, and we will discuss things on a future episode. If you like this, hit that like and subscribe. I've made short guides about this, but I'll be talking about both of these books, what they mean, why they're important, and why they're still relevant today. If you like this and I've earned it, hit that like and subscribe. And as always, you guys have a beautiful journey.